Hello and welcome back to this tutorial series. In our last video we saw how we can install Bootstrap and we have make use of one of the control for a demo purpose like primary button. And in this video we are going to install Angular Material Design. So to do that, basically, first we need to understand what it does. So basically, Angular Material Design is used for displaying buttons, tables like that. And to install that, what we have to do is we can go to the browser and we can search for Angular Material and press enter, and it will show you the results, and from that you can go to the official website of it. So I'm just clicking this, and once you go there, you can click on components, and you can find out there are a number of components here. For example, we have uh, date picker, right? So if I click on this, it is going to show us the calendar. If I click on checkbox, so here I can use the checkboxes, right? So there are several components available in material design. So what we are going to do is we are going to use some of these components in our projects. And if you just click on guides here and click on getting started, uh, so here we will find the instructions how we can, add or install material design to our project. So to install, or first let's see here what it says here. If you are new to Angular or getting started with the new Angular application, see Angular full getting started page. So let's click on that. And here you will see number of options. Okay, create a sample project like that. So I'm just clicking on back, and what I want to do is I simply want to copy this. So I'm copying this and I'm going to add it to my project. So let's see how we can do that. So just come back to the command prompt and stop your application by pressing Ctrl C, and we'll type the command. First clear the screen, and here we will just paste that command. So ng add, and yeah, and the important thing here is you have to be in your project folder, and then you can say ng add angular material, and this will add or install the angular material design in your application. So I'm pressing enter. So let it install, and meanwhile we'll go and see the design, material design. So we'll come here and we'll see what other options we have here. So here it says that you need to import if you want to use this component. So there are a list of components, right? So we'll see how we can add them. Just come back to our command prompt here, and here it is asking what type of theme we want to install. So I'm just going with the default Indigo Pink. Press enter, and then it is asking for Hammer JS. So say yes, enter. It is asking for animation. I'm saying yes, enter, and our package.json will get updated with all these dependencies in our project. So once the installation is complete, we'll go back to our app module.ts file. So let us go there, and let us come here, app module.ts file. So here in this file, we can see that it is importing browser animation module from Angular platform browser animations. So the next thing we want to go and see that how to include themes. So to do that, just go to style.css and here just paste this line. So this will add the default theme for our application. So let's check the UI. Uh, so we don't see any errors, and by default our theme is that what we have mentioned in our uh, CSS file. So let's try with the input component. So before including the code to display the component, you have to import them. Okay, so how we can do that? Let's see it. So let's say just come here on components and click on input and click on API tab. And in API tab, it is telling us that to import this thing. So just copy it and go to app-module.ts and paste here. So what we are saying that we want to add mat input module, and then we also need to add this inside our imports. So just comma and control V. So we have added mat input module inside our imports so that we can use in our HTML files. Now go back to that page and copy the HTML code. So for that, we'll come back here and click on overview, and here just check for this and copy this and just paste this into our app component.html file. So come here, select all, and sorry, we can just paste just below the button and just save it. File autosave. I'm putting it up as keeping it as autosave, and let's go to our application page and see. Okay, so it is working for us. So that's it. This is how you can install the material design, and you can test it by making use of one of the control or component from the material design. And in our case, it is working fine for us. So this is the end of our video. In our next video, we'll see more about further steps. Until then, take care. Thank you. And we will see you in our next video. Okay, then take care. Bye.